Baby Bath and Shampoo. Genteel, used every day, gives more skin protection than your baby ever got with ordinary soap. Genteel's suds are milder than floating soaps, so mild they won't sting baby's eyes like soap. Yet Genteel's special antiseptic ingredient is effective against common skin bacteria. Genteel rinses completely, leaves no irritating soap film. Yet its daily antiseptic action helps to protect your baby's skin from irritating diaper rash, from common skin infections, hour after hour after hour. So give your baby more skin protection than he ever got from ordinary soap with new hospital-tested Genteel Baby Bath and Shampoo by the makers of famous Baby Magic.